Hi everyone, Wilco from SimRacingHub here. Sim racing isn't just about shaving off lap times, it's about feeling every twist, turn and bump as if you were sitting in a real car. In today's video I'll be sharing my top 5 sim racing accessories that deliver mind-blowing immersion. Whether you're a casual racer or an esports pro, these upgrades will take your setup to a whole new level. From vibrations to lighting and even creating a more realistic car cabin, these accessories are designed to bring your rig to life. There's a lot to talk about, so let's get started. Kicking things off is the slip angle base shaker kit, and let me tell you, this device sets the foundation for true immersion. If you ever felt like your sim racing setup lacks that physical connection to the road, this is the solution for you. The slip angle base shaker kit uses tactile transducers to generate vibrations synced to your car's audio. When your tires hit rumble strips, the seat shakes. When your car accelerates hard, you feel the surge in your back. Even subtle details like engine vibration or gear shifts translate into physical sensations. What makes this so impressive is the difference it makes in your overall racing experience. It's not just about hearing the game, it's about feeling it. And installation is super simple. You can mount it on your seat, connect it to your rig's sound system or a dedicated audio channel and configure the settings. Whether you race on smooth circuits or rough rally stages, the kit adapts to your game, bringing every terrain to life. For me, it's the perfect upgrade to make your sim rig feel like a real car. Once you try this, going back to a static setup will feel like flat and uninspiring. Next, we have the Simagic P-HPR Haptic Feedback Reactors, and this one is all about control and precision. If you want to truly understand what your car is doing at all times, this accessory is a must-have. The P-HPR integrates haptic feedback directly into your pedals, simulating real-world forces like brake lockups, ABS vibrations and wheel spin. Imagine you're braking hard into a corner. With this system you will feel the brakes locking up before the tires even screech. Or when you accelerate aggressively, the throttle pedal communicates wheel slip directly to your feet. It's like having an extra sense that gives you more control over your car. What's great about the system is how customizable it is. The accompanying software allows you to adjust the strength and sensitivity of the feedback. This means you can tailor it to match the different car types, whether it's a subtle feedback of an F1 car or the more aggressive vibration of a GT racer. The Simagic P-HDR works with most pedal sets and installation is straightforward. For serious sim racers or anyone looking to get that extra edge in competition, this accessory is an investment that pays off every time you hit the pedals. Finally, let's talk about the Philips Hue lighting system, an accessory that brings your entire environment to life. It might not directly affect your car's performance in the game, but it does something just as important. It transforms your room into part of the racing experience. Philips Hue Lights sync with your gameplay, creating the dynamic lighting effects that match the action on screen. Imagine racing through a sunset. Your room shifts to warm red and orange. Or when you enter a dark tunnel, your lights dim, adding an extra layer of realism. Setting up the Philips Hue lighting system is super easy as well. Install the lights, connect them to the Philips Hue app and use third-party software like SimHub to sync the lighting with your favorite racing sims. You can even customize presets for different moods or tracks. For instance, icy blues for a snowy rally stage or vibrant greens for a sunny countryside circuit. Trust me, once you race with the Philips Hue, it's hard to go back to a plain lit room. It's the perfect way to finish off your immersive rig and gives that wow feeling to anyone who sees your setup. 4. The Wind Simulator. Now let's talk about one of the most unique and thrilling additions to your sim racing rig, the Wind Simulator. This is one of those accessories that you might not need at first, but trust me, once you try it, you will wonder how you ever raced without it. So what does it do? A wind simulator uses fans mounted on your rig to create airflow that mimics the sensation of driving at speed. The faster your car goes in the game, the stronger the wind you feel blowing against you. And when you hit the brakes, the fans slow down, simulating deceleration. It's an incredible way to enhance the feeling of speed and motion. And the best part, it's relatively simple to set up, and there are plenty of DIY options for those who enjoy a DIY project. All you need is a pair of high quality fans, a controller that syncs the fan speed with your sim game, and some software to configure the settings, like SimHub. What's great is that you can customize the airflow for different cars or conditions. For instance, driving an open wheel car will feel dramatically different from a closed cockpit car. So if you're into immersion, the wind simulator isn't just a fun gadget, it's an essential addition to make your setup feel truly alive. Next on the list is a sim racing roof, and this one is all about creating a fully enclosed, authentic racing cockpit. Adding a roof to your sim rig might seem like a purely aesthetic choice, but it transforms the feel of your setup. And here's why. When you add a roof, your racing setup stops feeling like an open gaming rig and starts feeling like a real cabin car. It creates an enclosed space that blocks out distraction and enhances focus. So you're no longer just playing a game, you're actually feeling like you're inside a car. What's amazing is that you can completely customize your sim racing roof. You can include roof mounted lighting, like I did, for better visibility, or built-in speakers for surround sound, or even extra displays for telemetry. One of the coolest features is that it creates a darkened, focused environment that makes your screens pop. Night races especially feel more realistic when your surroundings are enclosed. This is a great project for anyone who loves DIY, and there's a step-by-step guide available on my website SimRacingHub.nl. So if you're serious about immersion and want a rig that really stands out, the sim racing roof is a fantastic upgrade. So there you have it, my top 5 accessories for the ultimate sim racing immersion. From the tactile vibrations of the slip angle base shaker kit to the precise feedback of the Simagic P-HPR reactors, the thrill of the wind simulator, the realism of the sim racing roof, and the atmosphere created by the Philips Hue. These tools will make you feel like you are in the race. So if you're serious about sim racing, these upgrades will completely transform your experience. Please make sure to check out our in-depth reviews of these accessories. I will put a link of them in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps us to bring you more great content. Thank you for the support, and until the next one, keep racing.